Hello everyone. In this lab, I will show you how you can create a agent into the agent space. I will configure the Google Cloud Storage bucket and other data source, and I will show you how you can how agent space agent interact with different type of data source and how you need to configure it. This is the primary demonstration so that you can understand how you can build your agent through the agent space. First, we need to configure, open the AI console, AI application console, and we need to accept the quality diagnosing qualities issues and activate the API. And we need to settings the Google Cloud identity for as a middleware layer for control the access permission for the agent app. We need to go to settings and choose the global location and set the Google identity. After that, you should create the data store, and I will create a data store and give you the name. You can create first the apps, then you can connect with the data store, or you can create a data store faster, then you connect the app, then uh, create the app, then you can connect with data stores. Okay, you already know these things. So the app section, you can create the app, and data section, data store, you can create the data store, and you can see how many data store you have. And this is the monitoring. You can monitoring your agent or agent app, what the performance, and you what the performance are giving this your development app. You can find out from here to change the different type of value and different type of the text daytimes. Okay, and here is the setting. This is the global setting about the access permission and the locations. Okay, all of things you can get from here. Let us do create a data store first. Create a data stores. Here you can see here is a different type of data source. Here is a website content. If you want to create the connect with any website and retrieve any website information, then you should choose the website content. If you want to connect to BigQuery, then you should choose the BigQuery. If your data you put into the cloud storage, then you can choose the cloud storage or any people via custom connector. If any customs solution developed for connecting with the third-party solution, then you can choose this one. And the healthcare API, if you said it will give you the opportunity to Google Cloud related health API that will integrate into your agent. You can choose this one. This is the announcement, import announcement data will display the homepage or your app. You can choose this. There is a customs API and there's a Cloud SQL, Google Cloud SQL. If you want to connect with your agent, should be connected to Cloud SQL. You can do it with Spanner, BigTables, Firestore, LODBs, Notebook Analyzer, Google Drives, and a lot of. You can uh, connect any source from uh, this as a space to data source. You can connect any data source through this data store. Okay, now I'm keeping showing you the connecting with the Google Drive. So I choose the Google Drive and continue, and I create the Google location, and I give it the name here and create. It's been created. My data store has been created. Now I need to create a one app here. You already seen I created a data store. Now I need to create an example of app. Suppose I created the app. Go to the app. There is a app section. I'm going to choose the Azenti space. There is a also here is a you can create the enterprise component search from here, as well as if you want to put to the custom search for any personalized generative experience, you can go through it in the custom service, or if you want to build an application, AI application, agent application, the health, you can go to the custom search with health. It has a site search mode. You can choose this one, the pre-built Google's indexing search indexing, and the media search. If you want to work with the medias, then media and videos or use files, you want to search from your predefined location, you define the location, you can choose one. Search e-commerce. There is a lot of types. Here is the conversational agent. If you want to create a conversational agent, then you choose the conversational agent. There is a simple dialogue flow chart. Then you can choose this one. Recommendation system, different type of recommendation system. If you want to book, you can go through it. This recommendation system, recommendations, application type. So I'm going to choose the LT space, and I'm giving the one name as well. I put the Jumble Shop name here. It is the example. You can put any name. I just show you the demonstration from the Google Cloud default example that you can understand better how you can implement, and also you can practice yourself in your house. I already create. Now I need to choose the data store. Here's the option. I create my app. Now I am connecting with the data store for that before I create the data store that I'm going to connect it. Create. It will take a little bit times. After created the application, then apps, you can see that go to the integration. If you go to the integration section, you can see your development apps URL that you can share with your web apps, or if you want to integrate this agent into your customs application through the API, you can go through it this API section, and there is a you can test as well API from here, and there is an example of code generated. You can call into your custom API. Let's see. Now again, I came in a app section. We need to check it was done. this is the agent. We can see I'm browsing my app. Okay, this is my apps. I have built with that was connected with the Google Drive, as well as you can create the agent from here as well. As you can create the agent. Okay, you can give the names. Suppose you can give the name is the auto and brainstormer, and I'm giving the goal description. You can describe your agent and explain what it does, actually what you want to do with this app, and what kind of you can define here, as it is kind of acting like rules. Then you can give the instruction here. The instructions how to an ideal section of document of this type. For each section, write a sentence to suggest what the section should include. Okay, now you can save, and I saved my agent. Okay, structure. Now I'm going to start it. This is your agent. That's meant you can create the agent as well. I asked one question to my agent. That's what the answer. I have some document into my Google Drive, and he's retrieve some information from there and give you the guidance actually what I need to do. So you already clearly understand actually how you can create agent under the agent space and how it is work. You can check there is you can see the diagnostic information from here, as well as then you can see that this is agent name, and you can also change the logo from here, and the different type of environmental settings and themes you can change from this agent. And also you can this left side of this menu you can edit your agent, and you can upload your icon here. Okay, your custom icon you can put it here, and If you want to change other information, add any data source tool or agent utilized, you can add it from here. Any data source, Google Drives, or okay, data source you can add with the data source. Set. You can add this. Suppose I want to change the logo, you can check. This is the logo. Press save. You can check everything you can do. In the previous section, you can ask another question to the agent. I need to draft a sales proposal for Google Cloud project deployed as an especially built 3D custom agent. Here's this response you see. This. You have noticed how you can create the data source and AI application as well as AI agent inside the Google agent space. Okay, there is a more option over there. You can see that you can configure your agent and application behavior. Here is a individual option here. You can, if you enable the feedback, that you can um, take the feedback from your user, and you can event collection, user activities event collection, you can uh, control from here. Okay, you can logo image appearance, if you want to change, you can do it from here. And as well as there is any shortcut or pinned link you want to make it, then you can choose this one from here. The controls, here is you can get the control from here, different of different the trigger inside of customs rules you want to apply here. And then you can create through this control, and you can make this action to create any customs rules you want to apply. Then you should create the controls. And here is the assistant. You see this is the agent. You can add items for any customs station. Suppose you want to integrate with this assistant with a dialog flow conversational agent, you can add from there. As well as you can enable the grounding, web grounding. Okay, any search assistant will be the web grounding that will be come from any relevant source. Okay, if you want your response, you want to relabel a response from your agent, you can enable the Google search. Here is the the feature management. You can choose feature management related option from here. Okay, I already default on all of this option. So you can build your any AI agent without any writing the code. Basically, through the URL, you can do it from agent space. And search URI, UI, here you can see here is a you can control from there in the UI related option from here, as well as you can test your agent space app through desktop version and mobile version before you launch it. So you can see it, you can control from here. I hope you made it clear. So how you can work with agent space, how you can create a agent agent into the agent space, also how you can create a data store and connect with your AI application.